This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Mike Holloway. This home has what you need at a price that won't break the bank. Main level features include an ample-size kitchen and great room, an additional den, a separate laundry/mudroom with access to the deck, and the master bedroom suite. The master has access to the deck where a hot tub can be installed. All of your main living areas are on the main level. The master bedroom has loads of storage space with a large walk-in closet and 2 additional closets. Next to the master bedroom is a den/office room that can also be used as an additional sleeping room. Upstairs features a guest bedroom with a private bath and a loft space that is currently used as a grandkids sleeping loft. The basement features a large workshop and a separate 2-car garage. The crawl space next to the garage has been professionally encapsulated to prevent any moisture issues, common to most crawl spaces. The yard includes garden spaces, a circular driveway with loads of parking, and the natural beauty of the hardwood trees. An additional 260 square feet. Outbuilding can be used for storage, guest cottage, craft room, or she shed. For more information,